What can you make that no one, not even yourself, can see it?
Fart.
Yeah, peeps, welcome to our next episode of The Questions. You don't know your boy Buhn, the girl them Buhn on us. And today we are UTECH with episode 20. Episode 20. And a long time I'm tell you to come and we finally reach. So here now, without further ado, I do it, we are going to do it. First thing I want you to do, my Jnel, give me a name.
Cavalry Campbell.
Nico.
AG. Yo, my name is Javon.
Sewell.
Teacher.
Jason.
Zoshan.
Yes, them.
My name is Mizzle.
Tony.
21.
Bryce.
Alright, VG.
My name Brandon.
I'm Tanika.
Pablon.
JT.
Brian.
Marcianette.
Brian, you can check me out on YouTube, Brian and Dana Dana, Brian with an I.
Jermaine.
Amelia.
CJ. Merrick.
What can be broken but never held?
I know that one.
Heart.
Is the word broken?
No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. No.
Love man. Ah, something. Boom. Ja.
Your heart can be broken.
Silence.
Alright, VG, you get it right.
Nah, like my heart still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, me know one man.
Think about it, man.
Think. I know they are saying for thinking, man.
Them think that's no secret or something like that. Or promise or something like that.
Yeah, man.
A heart. Heart. I'll forbid the answer.
It sound like you get whole heap of broken heart, man. What you say, VG?
Me broke all the heart.
What can be broken but never held?
Yeah.
Brother. No, but not held.
Promise.
You're right still, no? You're right still.
Can be broken. Oh, I something else me hear it. What can be broken but never held? May I say heart, but I know that.
Say, I get them one of them, man. Yeah.
Broken but never held. Give up, sir. Give up.
Skip. Next question.
Should I think about it, man?
I can break without silence.
Your art? Help me now. What?
The heart.
Oh, no. Heart.
What has a face, 2 hands, but no feet?
A face, 2 hands, but no feet.
Yeah.
Yes. Yo, can't recall, man.
What has a face, 2 hands, no feet?
Watch. Good work.
Good work!
Clock. We know that one there. We know that.
Oh, a clock.
Yeah, shit.
Face, 2 hands. Clap, brother.
There's a face, 2 hands but no legs.
clock dog.
I don't know. I don't know.
My watch.
Clock.
That have a face, 2 hands, no feet. A clock?
Clock. I don't know, a fish.
Fish have one better.
Emoji.
Face. 2 hands. No feet.
A face, 2 hands, no feet.
Clock.
What can you make that no one, not even yourself, can see it?
Sound. Oh. Sound. Make sure I get a ticket for that.
Nice.
Who can make?
What can you make that no one, not even yourself, can see it?
I feel like one of them easy answer there.
Oxygen.
Boy, if you don't
Alright, what can you make that no one, not even yourself, can see it?
Ear.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Who want to learn first?
Noise.
Alright.
Can you make? Well, I'm telling you what, I promise.
I don't know.
Think about it, man. That one is easy, you know.
Easy. What can I make that no one else can see? Not even myself.
Yes.
Love. But I can make that not even me can see it.
That no one, not even yourself, can see it.
That decision.
Here, nice.
What can you make that no one, not even yourself, can see it?
Fart.
What you say?
Fart.
What can you make that no one, not even yourself, can see it?
Make a girl come. I can't see it when she come. I'm not fuck with that.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions. That's episode 20. UTECH did lit. You see me? But what I want to know for do, like, share, and also subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And turn on your notification bell, you know. You see me? But what I want to know for do too, follow me on Instagram. That's BUHN_reaction. I'm out. Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Buhn, the girl them Buhn. Welcome to our next episode of The Questions, episode 20. And today we are UTECH. And shall we go UTECH? Shall we go?